Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee foot injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts. If you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your foot. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. There's no getting around the fact that the majority of us rely on the use of our feet on a daily basis, whether we're walking to the shops, driving to work, or exercising on a treadmill in the gym. But there are times when accidents happen, accidents which can cause injuries to your foot. If you've suffered from a foot injury from an accident that was down to the negligence of others, then you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a foot injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a foot injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with foot injury claims. The good news for you is that we at legalexpert.co.uk are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll shortly be looking at personal injury compensation levels in our foot injury compensation table. But you should bear in mind that these figures only represent the compensation that you may receive for your injuries and do not include any other amounts for things like loss of income from time off work and any expenses you've incurred because of the accident. If you reach out to us, we'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed in total. And if your accident happened at a specific place, let's say your place of work, and you've suffered other injuries along with your foot injury, we'll also use our workplace injury compensation calculator and our multiple injury compensation calculator in order to let you know how much we believe that you may be entitled to. Following this consultation, we will talk through your foot compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts for a foot injury in our personal injury compensation claim amount table. In front of us we have the table for foot injury compensation claim amounts, and for amputation of both feet you could expect to receive anything between £135,030 right the way up to £160,600. For amputation of one foot you could expect to receive anything between £66,930 right the way up to £87,410. For very severe injuries to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £66,930 right the way up to £87,410. For severe injury to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £33,460 right the way up to £55,830. For serious injury to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £19,920 right the way up to £31,250. For moderate injuries to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £10,960 right the way up to £19,920. And then finally, modest injuries to the feet, you could expect to receive anything up to £10,960. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim It's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.